Here we have a 2018 BMW 530d XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We do have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and also the front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit this vehicle has. Right to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the rear spoiler lip as well on the tailgate, as you can see. Here's a closer look at another alloy wheel. And then coming around to the rear, you find we have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. We have also pressed this button here on the remote, and the boot will pop open like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back. We do also have the storage net on the left hand side, along with the storage pockets and also a hook as well underneath there. We have handles underneath here so we can pull it back closed with ease. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We do also have the M Sport suspension. Taking a look at the interior though, so inside of here you'll find we have the full black leather interior, foldable armrest and the fixed ISO points. We do have the vents down there in the centre for the rear passengers. Electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. Again, full leather interior for the front. Both front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable. Got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting, electric mirrors, electric windows, child lock for the rear. We have the automatic lights just down there, the automatic wipers. If taking a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard. We do also have the multifunctional steering wheel as well in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle starts up for us. Steering wheel is also heated. Press that button and it will activate the heated steering wheel. Got the volume buttons on the left hand side. We do also have the speedometer and the cruise control on the right. We're also free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard as well. Got the main screen in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. Now if any lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life. Got the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find the radio stations. We do also have the other options down here with the CD player, Bluetooth audio, USB. We have the phone connectivity just there. Going on to the main menu, if you go to My Vehicle, you find on the lights, we have the ambient lighting, all these different colours which you can go through. Press onto this button just here, you find the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down, you've got the climate control, got the heated seats as well either side, and the ice cold air conditioning, all working as they should do, as you can see. Inside of here, you find we have some storage space. We have the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, and a USB port. We have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes, so the Eco Pro drive mode, we have Comfort and also the Sport. Changes the look of the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see. Put the car into reverse, you find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Let's put it back into park though. Got the electric handbrake, the auto hold button, and a leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530d XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. And as you can see, I'm not able to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which is also heated. Got the button just here in the centre, press that and it will activate or deactivate it. We have the paddle shifters as well on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control on the left hand side. Got the digital dashboard in front of us, which can show at different displays, like we've seen on the photos. And if you do this thing carefully as well throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. Really does sound incredible. We also have the full leather interior, very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling front seats are also heated, perfect for these cold winter mornings. And we do have plenty of features in this vehicle. For example, we've got the ambient lighting, looks really nice, especially at night time. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, full of features again that you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat nav. Below there we have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We also have the automatic gearbox as well, with all the different drive modes. Now I'm about to take a right hand turn in a moment, so if we put our right indicator on, start to slow down, and then we wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn onto the industrial park. So wait for this car to go past, and then make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard into the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.